Tao?
Is it okay? So think about 3-speed ATV with reverse. That's the motor. I mean, it was only a buck, what, 69?
I mean, he convinced me out of the 140, so.
No. I told him you're gonna have to kickstart it. He's like, I want electric
Are you
start.
running alcohol or?
But I feel like this would be a good spot because it's already a gap.
It's just gonna look ghetto, bro.
It will.
It's got the 125 with reverse, boys. Y'all tell him what it really is in the comments, cause boy, he had to have that reverse. Told him you're giving up that fourth gear for reverse and all the torque with it.
Yeah, we'll go.
Joe's got a real desire to ride this thing, I think.
It'll happen one day.
It's gonna happen. I think this is
I don't care how janky it is, it's gonna work.
I think this is like the second day of him turning a wrench on it. We'll see.
Day 4.
He's getting the snickle fritz when it comes to the fab work, though.
Oh yeah.
I told him, hey, bro, I'll give you these little metal plates, but you really should grind them out on the grinder. Nah, we'll just split that case and fucking
let her rip.
I think we're gonna have to take the mounts off, dog, before you start this.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to grind.
Because if it starts vibrating, you're gonna end up with a cracked case and a broken heart.
Honestly, this $300 motor, I wouldn't really care.
Well, fuck, let's just send it then, bro. When that hot oil fucking splashes on your leg and them RPMs run off from that air leak, you can't stop this bitch. You just got hot oil spraying in your crotch.
That's what I dream for.
Dude,
This is why we do it.
Hell yeah, honestly, it'll be funnier that way.
Oh yeah.
We did a little grinding, definitely got to put us a bigger washer there, get us a nice more surface area. We cut out a little bit of this, got after it with a little bit of grinder, a little bit of Sawzall, everything but the blowtorch. That right there, that's making me pucker, boys. Before this thing gets fired up, I'm not really digging the motor mount bolts. We're gonna have to chop those down a little bit. You sure tighten that bitch. This is
That
everything.
way when I lose my motor, I'll lose my pipe too.
Everything's super. Oh, dude, there we go. It's on wrong.
It's money. Yeah, that's what
dude,
it's supposed to be.
it's a dump out. Trying to clean out this rusty tank. Put them in there. Give her a couple shakes up. And I usually put it on the back of an ATV tire and tumble it, but I got another approach I'm gonna try.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna do it farm boy
Feels like
style.
Jello in there.
Nice. It's supposed to be nice and thick. We're gonna need 50 horsepowers to clean this tank.
All the horsepower. I need some duct tape.
Nice. The tractor wasn't over. That was too much horsepower. This'll do her. Little quick explanation for this Chinese wiring harness. Don't be discouraged when your stator won't plug in to the harness they send you. So obviously the CDI plugs in nice and easy. The kill switch plugs in nice and easy. These plug in nice and easy. We're gonna go ahead and shrink wrap those. We're gonna mount this coil right in there. Pretty much gonna have to hot wire the rest. So the key switch plugs in. These three here, pretty simple. Your yellow and your white are your lighting coils. So one actually plugs in, the green one, we're gonna heat shrink it. We're gonna splice the other two in and she should be sparking. So you know how to splice wires, right?
Oh hell yeah. The only way I know how.
It's all cleaned up. Now it's less complicated and we're gonna have all this wiring hidden. It's gonna be like a Blake speaker job. Bro, definitely need to bite your tongue more. Busting that grinder cherry. Joe's straight up fabricating, boys. Fabricator Joe. As he turns that hat around, he calls himself Jose.
Jose!
See what you get, Dan. Oh, that's a good color.
Yeah.
That's a hell of a color.
It's like straight after Taco Bell.
Oh, yeah. I'll get you some brake cleaner. So we've got a little work done on his all-terrain cycle here. You got to get a different bend in this pipe to make her too legit, but fires right up. Put a jack stand under this, bent it up so that it'll work with the 70 pegs. You got the brakes working. It looks factory.
Suicide shifter?
Oh yeah, we found this out in the pile, got it working. He knows he's gonna make some mistakes.
You know I'm gonna get this.
He's gonna need that reverse. Just hope it ain't too high geared there.
You gotta back the stand-up jet ski in with it.
Yeah. Oh, that's why he needed. Yeah, he's gonna get off this bitch, and the ski and the trailer are gonna be floating in the lake, and this bitch is gonna be under. That'll float.
I know, right?
That'll float too.
I'll go find the jet ski.
Damn, I just thought about. With you off of it, it'll float. So I always like helping people out. I'm facilitating big time here. I got Joe's tank with a hole in it. And what was your title again? There's a certification.
I'm actually lead tech and head certified tech for JB Weld, and I've been doing it for almost 29 years. I mean, this is the best stuff. This is the best of welding equipment. I can do it underwater, above water. It's better than TIG, MIG, stick. Every kind of welding you want to do, I can match it and do it better with JB Weld.
Plus you can smoke at the same time.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Give
good
them-
stuff.
give
And
them
if
that
you
one.
huff it. You can actually huff it. I wouldn't recommend it, but I do it.
But I do it.
Make sure you prep this area first, though. There's a little pinhole right there. JB Weld ain't gonna just stick to this paint and stuff. Ball peen hammer, wire brush. Joe, I understand that you're looking at me weird, but this is gonna work. I promise. Well,
This is the stuff you use on date night
yeah,
to keep it hard. The stiffener.
yeah, I do actually.
Man, you got a bunch of welding stuff in here.
I know. That's what I do. I weld and I do hair care products.
Plus, he's got supply fees.
Yeah,
He's used that
this stuff
thing.
ain't cheap.
Easily a $6,000 job.
Yeah, it's diamond. That's not gonna be enough.
Shoot,
You better double up.
you crazy, bro.
So he's a tight ass. You're buying. You're covering the shop
It's gonna
fees.
be doubled up. Back when the founders started JB Weld, they didn't think people would become it advanced as me, and they didn't even think about making titles. But they're calling me right now. Look, you see that? That's better than new. I want to see Honda do that.
I think more is more. That ain't gonna do her.
I don't know what to do.
You're
with
gonna
my
have to put a
hands.
patch like right here, dog.
Yeah.
Really?
I mean, like,
Hold on.
it's gonna take. I would at least do like
Nah.
that. You think that's gonna hold?
Hell yeah.
Oh, what a waste of
sure.
time, bro. For
Right.
sure. Where's that certification you said you had?
You think I keep it with me? I got it locked in the safe in my van.
Oh, it's coming out of the exhaust.
Coming ahead. Ooh, did you ever stood up or something? Did you have it stood up or tipped over? Or maybe just with the flat tire in the front, maybe it laid down and loaded the head up with oil.
That chain sounds gnarly.
That wasn't the chain. That was, I think, your motor moving a little bit. Is it the chain?
Yeah.
Yeah, the chain is. Lewis is shit. I wonder if this is the wrong size rear sprocket. Because it won't go in there, Joe. Look. Old Joey didn't make it very far. Now the engine smokes, and I think he just blew out first gear.
Damn it. Fucking pulled my pigtail off. I hate this dude.
Crimping like a girl.
Oh.
You get that weak crimp on it. You need them mullet crimps. Joe's so close he can taste it. We got the tank sealed up. Got a free JB certified weld on it.
Of course.
Joe's just been dry humping this thing at home and rubbed a raw spot on it, man. I don't think he's washed it yet either, ever.
No.
Hadn't washed
I
it.
didn't even watch it. Still got the 1976 grime on it.
So how many weeks? How long you been working on that?
Like 6 weeks?
6 weeks.
Is that right?
It's pretty dope. First ride. Pop your cherry.
Reverse all the way down, right?
Yeah, you went into
Oh,
3
it works.
reverses. Yeah. Oh, you got the sprocket on backwards.
That's what it was, right?
That's better than last time. The chain was really a jumping and a popping last time. Oh, no shifting, Joe. Missing shifts. He's missed like 5 shifts already. Ooh. Boy, your motor moves. Go slow and hit the gas and watch it twist it.
Oh, yeah. That bitch flexes.
Sweet video I got.
Right.
How fast it goes.
Probably like 35.
Hit a wheelie real quick. Go back out. I thought we could. Ooh. What the fuck was that? Sound like your chain. My clamp job's still holding. Throw in reverse, dog. She got reverse. pulled to the left real bad because that flat tire.
Dude, yeah, it does.
Almost. Damn, that motor moves so much.
Yeah, dude, I need to do something about that motor.
Oh, dude, how do you kill a fucking... How do you even do that?
She burned down.
Put it in first gear, boy. You got it in first, not reverse. Go to first. I just push started it. Get her rolling. Oh boy! Don't flip her, Joe. Oh! Hell yeah!
Here's that chain slapping.
I didn't. Oh yeah, now I do. Oh shit! How about we air up your tire and you go get a top speed run on it?
Just did.
Yeah, but we didn't have the GPS. You're speculating. How fast? You said 30?
I said 34.
Why you shift it 4 times every time? He's like, reverse. There we go. There we go. She's in. She's in. So I'm gonna give him the GPS and we'll see what it'll do. Hit the brake and do a backwards wheelie. Oh, you gotta commit, bro. You lean forward. There you go. There's no coming back from that one. All right, we got his chain actually tight now. Did it jump down?
Yeah.
Damn, we're gonna have to really tighten that bitch all the way up.
Yeah.
You might have to get a new one of those, Joe. Or we weld it on. I mean, you can always take the chain on and off if that's welded on there. You just have to go over it.
That's true. Got a little piece. I can just slide a little piece of weld in that bitch.
Yeah, I could just weld it where it won't come off of there no more.
Yeah.
If you want me to.
You want to? I'm down.
I mean, we can try and tighten it one more time, and then if we determine it's completely ruined, then do it. That was a good 2 wheelies, though.
I don't even want to fucking drive it up there.
Just push it. It's because you're so fat. It's because, honestly, look, if somebody's going to be riding wheelies on this thing, you got to do it like it's 76. The chain was popping back in 7.6, man. Chains were popping back then. I told him, are you sure?
I'm positive.
He said he was positive. So I went ahead and I made this tensioner Permanente, boys, with the Harbor Freight welder. So we'll see. Boys, so far so good. We've had the most shifts without chain pop. So far so good. Like I said, if it's gonna do it, it'll do it in reverse because it's actually pulling down on it. Yeah, don't try and break it. No, because it's actually pulling downward on it at that point. Oh, somebody had to hit the brake. Oh, shit, boy. Look out, Rush. He can run you over, dog. Let's see your back brake demo. You want me to weld it? He tried to shift it with his foot. All right, let me try and pop a wheelie, Joe. Let me try and break it. Those are real tough. That's torquier than it was in the Honda motor. Way torquier. Engine was good, you're right. Little needs Loctited. It's got some sketty showing over here. Sketty. Got some of that sketty hanging out. Oh yeah. I'm worried those are entrails. This one's coming up for you next, boys. Got the new tires, new brake assist. Oh, that was gutless. He finally got it to ride just before the 4th. He gonna break it on this Saturday. He gonna break it. He gonna break it this Saturday. So I'll be real with you. He got a little discouraged working on it, but I'm pretty sure I worked on that 3-wheeler more than Joe did. So basically what I said was next time they come over, we can all just work on my fucking Big Red, I guess. And you know, we'll work on it, and we'll work on the DX, and yeah. I'll just have Joe doing chains and welding, and have him teach me how to ride like I have to do, and
I don't know about that.
I don't know about that. You got to give him the confidence to give it some. Oh, my knee. He's been hauling around that regret. All that regret's weighing that knee down.
It's gonna have to be a minute.
This is physical therapy.